I think we're playing together much better. Our chemistry is better in terms of understanding how we have to play to be successful, sharing the ball, being unselfish defensively as much as offensively, and guys just stepping up. I think that's really been the key. And probably don't have as much talent in some ways or as much experience, but that's the beauty of a team sport like basketball. That saying, the whole is greater than the sum of the parts, and when they're playing well together, you'll have a chance. And I think that's happened more times this season, particularly at the end of this year, than it did last year. It's such a hard-fought victory to win in a conference tournament, to win on the road, or just win in the ACC. And I think our guys have understood that. And we've been fortunate enough to have some good stretches of basketball, and we've been in a lot of close games. And hopefully those things are paying off as we finish the season. This will be my second time at the ACC tournament, and it's so well run, and it's such a first-class event, and the fan following. There is a lot of excitement, and I think it'll be great for our young guys to taste it, and hopefully we can take a good quality of basketball into it. That was what I told our guys before. I said, let's play hard against Maryland and play well and carry a level of quality from here right into the tournament. So I hope that will be the case.